Hey guys, we've got this 2014 Toyota Alphard that's driven all the way from Adelaide to our shop in Melbourne, specifically for the install of his head unit. So we supplied him the Tesla style screen for this one. So massive upgrade, gives you the wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. This car being an import, couldn't do much with the factory head unit. This is all in Japanese. So this car does have the factory fitted 360 camera. So you've got the side cams, front camera, the reverse camera just there. Then you got your last camera just on the passenger side mirror as well. So full original 360 camera in this one, all working nicely. So I'll just jump in the car and show you how it works. Alright guys, so as you can see, fits very nice this one. No imperfections whatsoever. Looks like it's supposed to be there, almost looks factory. So just going from here, this is your home screen. So to access all your applications and stuff, you've got this top bar, which you can swipe through. Your quick access to your radio. All your steering wheel controls fully functional, fully working. Just swiping up will bring you all to your presets. So you just want to tap and hold to preset your stations. Swipe back down to bring it back like that. Just going back to your home page again. So all your climate control. Temperature control left and right, all working nicely. Your different modes throughout here, which shows up the top of the screen. You've also got a couple physical buttons just down the bottom here. So your AC on, AC off. Front demisters. Your hazard button. Then you got your AC off control as well. So just back to the home page, popping the car into reverse. We'll bring up your factory 360 cameras. So just like that, you can see all your bird's eye view, reverse camera triggers as well. So you can change your sensor mode and your guidelines as well. Car back in park. Swiping up on the screen will take you to your main application page. So inside here, you got your access to your wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto through Car Auto. So obviously, once you connect your phone up to the Bluetooth of this device, all your navigation, phone calls, music streaming, all that sort of stuff will just work straight through the CarPlay or Android Auto. So one thing I just noticed with this unit, actually didn't even know it had it, it's got voice control. So for instance, if I say open video, it's going to take you into your video. Open air conditioning. Close video. Open radio. Open car auto. So as you can see, there's not much need to even touch the screen now with this one. Everything's through voice control. Open radio. Open radio. There you go, that's pretty handy. So we'll just open video again. So obviously this car pretty decked out, so it's got the roof mount DVD player as well. So as you can see, it is displaying what's displaying on the screen. So I'll just show you this quickly. And then if you want to make that full screen, you just tap this, which closes it from here, so meaning you still have all your access to your navigation and whatnot. So if you've got the kids in the back, then you can still have them watching all the movies and whatever you want straight through the unit, but directly to the DVD player. Yeah, so just back to the application page here, you got access to all of these things: so APK installer, AUX, Bluetooth, camera for any external cameras, DSP. DSP is your built-in equalizer, plenty of presets, plenty of options. So just swiping down from the top of the screen gives you access to all these quick little tools, I guess you can call them. So you got your backlight off, which disables your screen. So if you're driving at night and the screen's a bit too bright for you, you can turn that straight off. Tap it, brings it back. Going back to here again, you got one called night light. So that's going to convert the screen to that white background light to the yellow light to make it a bit better for nighttime as well. Bluetooth off, Bluetooth on, all your Wi-Fi access, hotspots, airplane mode, screenshot. So obviously this is an Android device, so once you connect up to your Wi-Fi, then you can access all your applications through Play Store, Google browsers through Chrome, YouTube, whatnot, all that sort of stuff. So once you go into Play Store, logging into your account, once you sign into the Play Store, you can download a whole bunch of applications. YouTube, Spotify, any navigation service, Waze, all those sort of fun things, even video games. If the kids want to play games on this, they can. Yes, that's pretty much it, guys. So once again, steering wheel controls are fully functional, air conditioning all fully functional, factory 360 all working. Even as far as the roof mount DVD player, fully functional and working. Any questions, just let us know.